Guys, got a pretty good, clean old truck here for you. A 2004 Dodge Dakota. 4-door. Man, this is a clean truck and runs good. Got 174,000. It's got a great body on her. Whoa, peeling out. Yeah, buddy. Not sure what motor's in her. I don't know if it's the 4.7 or the 3.7. I don't know, but boy, she's got plenty of get up and go. She wanted to burn rubber. Good shifting transmission. Darn, this thing's nice, and it smells good too. It doesn't stink. Doesn't smell like an old trucker was in it. Just slick. Wow. I like this. I can't believe this is 2004 because it literally looks like a 1992. I mean, I don't know how long this Dakota, Dakota, not Durango, Dakota. I can't remember how long this body style was around. Let's see if we got the hood. Yeah, look how clean this thing is. Look at that. I mean, it ain't got a damn door ding on it. Look at those headlights. They look pretty good. And the grill and the chrome. Shoot ya. Now, I have no idea how to open the hood. Oh, there it is. There it is. Gotta get her going in the right direction. There we go. 3.7 Magnum. No kidding. Man, it runs really good to be a 3.7 Magnum. I'm surprised. I know a lot of people say these engines are junk. We've got a recall, some modifications. Back in 04. Wonder what that was about. I mean, what a clean old truck, y'all. Decent tires. I mean, it's never hauled a thing. Got a little ball hitch on it. I mean, what a clean old truck. Let's check the AC on the way back. This thing is smooth. I like it. It's 2-wheel drive. Kind of looks like a 4-wheel drive on the exterior, but it is a 2-wheel drive. Yeah, man, this is a good truck. Got good shocks. I bet they've been replaced on. Got real good shocks. I like it. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.